As a urologist who has spent decades helping men restore their vitality, I've seen one truth proven over and over again: after 60, your body may slow down, but it doesn't have to shut down. Morning erections, once taken for granted in youth, become a window into your vascular health, hormone balance, and overall energy. And with the right techniques, you can revive this natural response without relying solely on pills or invasive treatments. As you age, the pathways that once fired automatically, nerves, blood vessels, and pelvic muscles, can grow quiet from stress, sitting, reduced hormones, and simple disuse. The good news is that these circuits respond quickly when you stimulate the right places with patience and intention. Tonight, I'll show you 3 pressure points I teach in clinic: the base groove to reopen brain-to-manhood communication, the perineal spot to wake your pelvic floor, and the glans ring to restore sensitivity and speed of arousal. Start with the base groove, the small channel where the shaft meets the pubic bone. This zone overlays branches of the dorsal nerve, the main courier of arousal signals. Slow, gentle pressure and circular massage here help re-establish that signal pathway and nudge nitric oxide-mediated blood flow. Men notice warmth, tingling, and early fullness when they do this mindfully rather than aggressively. Think of it like rebooting a lagging device. 60 to 90 seconds of calm stimulation can sharpen the connection. Move next to the perineal spot, the area between the scrotum and the anus. Beneath it lie key pelvic floor muscles, the bulbocavernosus and ischiocavernosus, that help draw blood in and maintain rigidity. Applying firm but comfortable pressure here can trigger a reflex arc through the pelvic nerves, recruiting those muscles. Many men find this improves firmness and staying power while also enhancing ejaculatory control. The goal isn't pain, it's a felt, grounded activation that wakes a circuit that's gone quiet. A simple drill works: lying on your back with knees bent, press the perineal spot with 2 fingers or a small rubber ball. Hold 5 to 8 slow breaths, release, and repeat for 3 to 5 cycles. As sensation improves, add 5 relaxed kegels, gentle lifts rather than hard squeezes, to coordinate the pelvic floor. Done consistently, men report stronger, steadier erections and a sense of automatic engagement they thought age had taken away. Then retrain the glans ring, the sensitive band where the head meets the shaft. Aging, friction, and reduced circulation can blunt sensation here, but nerves respond to careful, consistent input. Use light rolling motions with fingertips, alternating brief cool and warm touch to stimulate mechanoreceptors without irritating the skin. Keep pressure low and time short, 45 to 60 seconds is enough. When done correctly, responsiveness returns, arousal becomes quicker, erections build faster, and pleasure feels more detailed again. Put it together as a 10-minute routine: 1 minute on the base groove with slow breathing, 2 to 3 minutes of perineal holds and releases, finishing with 5 easy kegels, 1 minute of gentle glans ring stimulation, then repeat the sequence once. Work daily or at least 5 days a week. Best times are before bed or on waking, when the nervous system is calmer and morning erection pathways are naturally primed. Respect guardrails. Avoid heavy pressure, numbing creams, or aggressive friction that can desensitize tissue. Skip perineal work if you have active hemorrhoids, recent pelvic surgery, or pain. If you have severe cardiovascular disease, uncontrolled diabetes, neuropathy, or you're on nitrate medications, speak with your physician before starting any arousal training. Discomfort is a signal to stop. This is about precision, not force. Remember the bigger picture: erections mirror overall health. Walk daily, prioritize sleep, manage stress, maintain a healthy waistline, and eat for blood flow. Think protein, leafy greens, beets, citrus, and foods rich in zinc and arginine. Keep tabs on testosterone and metabolic markers with your doctor, and address blood pressure, lipids, and blood sugar. Pressure point training works best when your circulatory and hormonal systems have the support they need. Morning erections are more than a bedroom win, they're a sign of synchronized nerves, vessels, and hormones. As the base groove sharpens brain-to-penis signaling, the perineal spot powers the pump, and the glans ring restores sensory feedback, men often notice those spontaneous morning rises returning. That's your body saying, "Systems online." Treat that message as encouragement to keep going. You are not powerless. With patience and consistency, these small, targeted practices can revive pathways dulled by time, replacing frustration with confidence and connection. I'm Dr. Emily Carter. If this helped, subscribe, share it with a friend who needs hope, and commit to 10 minutes a day. Let your mornings remind you, vitality isn't behind you, it's responding to how you train, live, and care for yourself now.